Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the freezer door handle on this LG refrigerator, you will need a 5/64 Allen wrench. Using the Allen wrench, loosen the 2 set screws located on the underside of the door handle. Remove the handle from the mounting pins. To install the new freezer door handle, mount the handle to the freezer and tighten the 2 set screws. The LG refrigerator should now be ready for use.